Kindiki does not scare anyone. Kindiki does not scare anyone. He doesn't scare anyone because he knows he's not the one who will come to my house to arrest me. If he tries, he knows what will happen. He will send goons in police uniform. Kuja wewe mwenyewe Kindiki. Akuje yeye mwenyewe.
Continue.
Hey, you know, Kindiki doesn't strike me as somebody who has ever slaughtered a chicken.
Sorry. Fear the woman. If you know fear the woman, you die fast.
And when he talks and he says Kujeni, it's not as if he is the one who's going to be there in the streets. I have never seen Kindiki in the streets. So when he says Kujeni, he himself, when they tell us, oh, come yourselves, come with your children and your wives. Kindiki knows when he is talking like that, he is not going to be the one in the streets.
Oh my God.
I'm not going to meet Kindiki. He's hiding behind the police.
It's about to go back.
Wewe Soprano. Chukua matatu. Pale kwenu Meru. Chukua maharagwe. Abaya hivi.
Jesus! Jesus!
Upelekee wa Meru. Ni aibu si aibu? Soprano aende asiende. Kazi yako ni kufuata kasongo.
Okay.
Unalapa ema tako. Wewe ni mwanaume, wewe ni bure kabisa. Yourself a season.